What's good, guys? So I took a sell trade on Boom 500 index, and I've held this sell trade since yesterday night till this morning. I've closed about 80% of my positions. I paid myself at this point, so I'm holding about two positions running up. I started to make a video on this trade, sharing with you guys how I was able to predict these sells from this point. I always emphasize on trading with the market direction, the market trend. If the market is on a downtrend, you should look out for sell opportunities. You should focus on the sell side of the market. And if the market is an uptrend, you should look out for buy opportunities. So on this downtrend on Boom 500 index, what I did was to mark out the levels and zones we got on this trend. Let's first spot the market trend. And remember, we can identify the market trend. We can spot the market trend on any time frame, the 4 hour time frame, the daily time frame, the 1 hour, the 1 minute, the 5 minute time frame, the 15 minute time frame, 30 minutes, any time frame whatsoever. We can identify a market trend on it. So on this 4 hour time frame, I spotted this downtrend and saw that this index was creating corresponding levels like we got here. Level of support broke on turn resistance. On the test of this level as a resistance, we got the sells. So I observed this kind of movement, this coordinate movement on this index, and worked with it. Because analysis is basically using past market moves, past market reactions, past market formations to predict future market moves, to predict what could happen next in the market. So identifying this market structure, these corresponding moves on this 4 hour time frame on Boom 500 index, I expected something similar. Yeah, so I also spotted a level here, which was a support level, got broken, support here, got broken, resistance, the sells. The first move was this support here, got broken, resistance, the sells. You get support here, got broken, resistance, the sells. So this level turns to this sells the downside. The point where the sell stopped would automatically turn to a level of what support. So all you have to do is to identify it and wait for price to break below it like it did here. There was a support here. After this retest of this previous support, we got the sells here. So someone who was able to identify this structure, predicting the sells at this point, would definitely make good money from these sells. So another support here that was formed, a new support, got broken, retested, resistance, the sells to the downside. We got the other one here. We got a support here as well. Support broken here, turned resistance, the sells to downside. So predicting this, working with this market formation and predicting the sells on the retest of this broken level of support, turned resistance, would make you good money on this index consistently. So you can see here, though we got price fake out a move here after the support level was broken, the sells to downside. We are supposed to get the sells here, price failed, but pushed up to come test this previous level of resistance as well as our trend resistance level, which still produce the sells, which is still a good move. So our last level was here, and I think market didn't really okay. Price got to it. Price got to it as well. Support here got broken. We tested on resistance. It sells to the downside. So me observing these moves, these unique moves on this index, I expected something similar. You get so price formed a similar support level here. This is what caught my attention on this index. I was like, if markets can create support levels and break those support levels, retesting it, turning those support levels to resistance levels, we'll always get a sell move happening in the market. So identifying these formations, like the first move here, support broken, turn resistance, the sells, support broken here, resistance, broken, retested resistance, the sells, support, broken, retested the sells, support, broken, retested the sells. Same thing here. So at this point, I expected something similar. You get so I marked out this zone and waited for price to break below it and retest it. So on a break and retest of this level, I expected price to do what sell to the downside, which we got the sells, and I took my sell trade on this market formation. This is how simple price action market approach is basically. Just identify the market structure, what has been happening in the market previously, and work with that same move. Yeah, work with that same move. So identify this zone and marked out this. I spotted this formation here on the 1 hour time frame. This level here, seeing that we've got price right on this level a couple of times. Support here, support support, got broken, retested here. I took my sell trade at this point, and my stop loss was somewhere here. Stop loss was here at this zone. So we can see our price has sold it on side. I've made about $600 profit on this trade, and I've moved my stop loss below my entry, closing about 60%, about 80% of my positions in good profit. So that's how I was able to take the sell trade on Boom 500 index. So price got to this support level and is reacting to it. So if you can see price do what? Break below this support level, below the support level, we are getting the move to the upside, which price is coming to give a retest of this zone on the 30 minutes time frame, a retest of this level. So we are getting the same formation on the 30 minutes time frame, resistance, highs, lower highs formation, support here, goes broken, retested the sells, support here, retested the sells, support here, retested. So expecting price to do what? Sell from this same zone to the downside, sell from that point to the downside, continue its sell. So on the 1 hour time frame, sorry, the 4 hour time frame, if price, I think the 1 hour time frame, yeah, if price can actually break below these lows, then we'd see more sells on this index. If price can break below these lows, give a retest on it, a retest here, then I'll be looking for more sells on this index because this is the market structure on the 500 index, and we could get more sells in the coming days and weeks. Basically, looking at the higher time frame structure on the weekly time frame, you can see that we still have a level which price is yet to get to, which is an order block zone, a bullish order block formation basically on the weekly time frame. So I'm expecting price to do what? Sell into this zone before we can get any bullish reversal. So any bullish move we are getting right now is just a retracement of zones and levels. So let's see what happens on Boom 500 index. And there's a similar formation on Crash 500 index as well, which I'm looking out for good trade opportunity on. So you can see we got an uptrend. Firstly, you identify the market trend. If the market is an uptrend, you look out for buy opportunities. And if the market is on a downtrend, like the market was on the Boom 500 index, we look out for what? Sell opportunities. So this index is an uptrend currently on Crash 500 index. This index is an uptrend. And we have our levels here. Like I said, identify the market levels and wait for a retest of it. So we got this level here, which was a resistance level. In an uptrend, we buy on a support level, and in a downtrend, we sell on a resistance level. So this was a resistance level here, which price broke out of, give it a test of, and the price. So we have another resistance level here, which price has been selling on before the break out of it. So if markets can sell into this zone, kindly, I'll be looking out for what's good buy opportunities on Crash 500 index. That's how simple it is basically. That's my view and market analysis on this index. And looking at the market structure on the weekly time frame, we can see that this index is in an overall bullish structure, is in an overall bullish trend. After the break of this previous trend, yeah, market has shifted from a downtrend market towards an uptrend market, creating higher highs and higher lows formation. So on the 4 hour time frame, I'm waiting for price to sell into our buy zone, which is here. We identified on the 4 hour time frame. For price to sell into this zone, you can see it clear on the 1 hour time frame, getting market reaction here, resistance, resistance here as well. Yeah. So this is how price action markets approach is basically just identify the previous market moves, previous market formations, and work with it. You get so resistance at that point, resistance here as well, which got broken. Resistance was broken at this point. Price failed to sell on this lowest resistance, so we got a break out of this zone. So if market can sell into this zone, I'm personally waiting for price to sell into this point for the buys. So I'm looking to buy this index today. I'm looking to buy Crash 500 index today. So if I can get price selling to that zone, I'm looking for a good buy opportunity. And I will give you guys an update on how this trade played out. We also have another confluence backing up our buys, which is our trend support. Getting market reaction here, support here, support at this point, support at this zone as well, support here too. So getting market reaction on this level a couple of times as a support. We have possibilities of same price selling to our trend support level and buy from it as well as our horizontal level, which we got at this point, which we got at this zone. Yeah, so that's it, guys. That's my view and market analysis on Crash 500 index, and that's how I was also able to take the sell trade on Boom 500 index. So for more market breakdowns, like some market analysis and trade breakdowns, do well to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for engaging my videos. Let me a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day. And I'll be closing my sell positions right now, my remaining 2 sell positions, because this level is yet to get broken and we're getting price reacts to this level of support. So until market breaks below this level of support, I wouldn't be selling this index. So I'll be staying out of the market at the moment and wait for the sales to the downside. Yeah, so I'll close out these remaining two positions and see, or one position basically, and hold the remaining one to run up since my stop loss is below my entry. So thank you guys and have a wonderful day.